In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create a big Easter egg pillow using leftover scraps of fabric. I'm always looking for ways to use my fabric scraps, so a colorful Easter pillow was the perfect project. I created the pattern that you can download in the link below, so you can use fabric pieces that are different sizes and shapes, depending on what you have available. I also added some lace trim for extra decoration, but you can feel free to use whatever type of trim you have left over from other projects. To start with, you want to sew the pieces of the Easter egg together. It can help to line them up in order so that you don't get confused about which ones are the top and which ones are the bottom. You want to repeat this for both the front and the back of the egg pillow. And then press your seams open on the back. Now you want to add your lace or whatever trim you're using. Measure your lace or trim along the top and bottom of the egg design, and then sew it in place. Now you want to sew the front and the back of the egg with the right sides together. Make sure to leave a gap at the bottom of the pillow so that you'll be able to turn it to the right side. Next, you want to clip the curves and then trim the seam to about 1/4 inch, and then turn the pillow to the right side. It can help to use some kind of long tool to help push all the edges out. You can also take a minute to press the seam to get it a little bit nicer looking. Now you want to stuff the pillow. You can use whatever you want to stuff the pillow. I like to use leftover fabric scraps, but it does tend to make the pillow a little lumpier in the end. So if you prefer to use a polyfill or some other type of pillow stuffing material, then do that instead. Now all you have to do is sew up that gap that you left at the bottom, and then you are finished with your Easter egg pillow.